way screwed up. We ended up here. So read that sign for me.
I have no worries.
Okay, so slow down. Let's turn on that camera. So it's tight, but when you look at it in the Alright, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, good. Alright, so that button's over here at the top. Yeah. Alright, so same thing. Alright, so can't see that. So you just look at your front camera. It makes life easier. Alright, then to the left. Okay, welcome again. Round 2. So same thing. Going to the mall, or you staying in a hotel, maletas, bags, shopping, grocery, whatever. It's perfect. You can do this again if you want, or you don't have to, but I think you should do it again since you're taking a video. Alright, so put it to park so you can open the back. So that's your safety. Alright. Oh, here. Let me turn on your auto hold. Let me turn on the auto hold so you can actually feel the. So right now the trunk is up. Then watch it go down. Okay, put it to drive. And then go on. Yeah, see it's on auto hold. Alright, to the next. No worries. I have no worries.
I have no worries.
Let's turn on the camera. Go ahead, you can press it. Alright. So when you go over 10, that's when it
Turns off.
It's a safe thing. I mean, I don't think you want to be going at 100 kilometers, then you'll be like looking at the camera.
So it turns off below 10?
Above 10.
Above 10 kilometers per hour.
Just for safety. Right, so that's the bit. There we go. Alright, so there's traffic here. Hit this button. And just wait for it to come out. Signal left, yeah, exactly. So keep signaling left. Just press the gas a bit here and here. Yeah, auto hold it. Go straight. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. It should actually stop. There
Oh,
you go.
nice.
Neutral. Yeah, I think that fucked us up when. Anyway, that. So hold, let go of the steering wheel. Hold that down. Don't let it go. Go ahead. There you go. But you can still control the brake if you want. Like, you can even try it. Like, it's freaky, it's freaky. Scary, but easy, right?
Yes.
Imagine having to parallel park. Say you have work in that same place, park in the same spot, always tight.
Oh.
Now you just be like, just park me. Alright, so you see it? It went to park on its own.
Oh.
Actually, the thing, what it does is if you're on drive and you shut off the engine, it will actually go to park.
On itself?
It's a safety thing.
Ooh.
So, just in case, you forgot you're in a rush, you park, shut off the engine, and you forgot it was on drive, neutral, or reverse, it'll automatically go to park on its own.
That's
Safety.
good.
Yeah. So same process. Let's press the P. Signal right. Neutral. And hold P again.
Oh.
See?
I'm screwed pala if I get the base mode. Sport has this.
No, it doesn't.
Only titanium models.
Yes.
4x4 and 4x2 have this.
Okay, finished.
Nice.
4x4 titanium. That's this.
Only, okay,
Yeah.
no 4x2.
This is so light. The
Well, again, you
steering.
can ask the Ford guys. They might, maybe.
Ah,
So straight there. Maybe they might have.
maybe,
You know,
okay. 10 speed, does sir?
yes, that's
Okay.
me. That's done on your camera, so gotta see it. Go. You can go out some more. There you go. Turn in. Straight out. Straight first. And then. Here, straight up. There's a cone here. Here. There you go. There.
Oops.
It's all good. Just a cone. It's still standing. So follow him. He will be your eyes on the outside. You gotta read the signs.
I've got this.
You got this. Left.
Left.
Some more. Keep it straight. Keep your steering wheel straight. Left. Keep going straight. That's good. Gas. Some more. There you go. Right. Straight. Right. Some more. Straight. It's okay. You got this.
Ooh.
Slower.
Oh.
Alright.
The water here.
Keep going. Right. Left a bit. Keep going left. Keep going left. More gas. There you go. Left a bit. Left, left. Left. Keep going left. There you go. And full right. And you're good. Into the
Bring it on.
yeah. Alright, so we'll switch it to 4 high. Well, you want to do it? Just press the button. There you go. Then it's all done.
It's so
So
easy.
straighten your wheel. And we're ready. Ready for the dirt. Okay, left. Alright. Alright. Damn. Imagine this car, you can take it to a hotel, you can take it to, it has that luxury vibe.
Yeah.
Then you can just take it to this type of things and you'll be okay, you'll be good.
You can bring it
You
anywhere.
can bring it anywhere. Let me turn on your diff. So no more slipping and sliding. Not so much. It's okay, it's just a
Oh,
cone.
sorry.
No, it's just a cone.
Whoa.
Oh my gosh.
There you go, elephant holes.
Whoa. Whoa.
There you go. Nothing to it.
I like the seatbelt holds you in place.
Yeah.
That's a cool feature.
Alright.
I can overcome anything.
Yes, you can.
Whoa.
So let's take it slow. We'll gradually go up. You don't need to make bueno.
Oh my
Sige.
god.
Here.
You go again.
Okay, gas. Left a bit.
Whoa. Whoa.
Oh my god.
Whoa.
Keep going. And keep going. You're almost kind of there. Keep going. And we're on top.
That's
That's the view. Alright, so let's slowly go down. I mean, we'll just point down, then we'll stop again. Okay, keep going. Keep going. And stop. Alright, so press this button. That'll be your hill descent. You can see over there, it's green. Let me turn off your auto hold, because it's gonna just get in the way. Alright, you're ready.
Release
Just
brake.
let go.
oh.
You just have to let go. Don't press the brake. Look, I'm like having
Roller coaster. Ooh.
Go.
and it's so smooth. Like, it'll just bring you down slowly.
It's still comfortable.
Yep. Now, you did it.
I did it.
Yes, you did. Alright, so just turn off everything. That's good. Not too high. Going straight. And you are good.
Thanks again
Thank you
for
po,
round
sir.
2.
No problem.
Thank
No
you po.
problem.